Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. And today's video is from a company called AdoreBox. Excuse me. They are a beauty and a lifestyle subscription, which is you can get monthly, and the monthly charge is $15 a month. And on their website, I did see a mention that they are only taking new subscribers for the US and Canada only right now. They do offer 3 plans, a monthly, 2 times a month, or a quarterly. And, you know, prices are dependent upon which one you want to do. I didn't notice prices on the other 2. I get monthly, which is the $15, and it does promise 4 to 10 items. They may be sample or full size, depends. And it can include makeup, hair care, skin care, jewelry, edibles. We'll see what they mean by that. Probably candy or chocolate, accessories, and housewares. Not real sure about that. So we'll get right into the video. Now, I did order this, I think the end of January, and I did have a discount code, so I did not pay $15 for the first one. So it comes in a black bag. And then inside, this is strange for a subscription box. It's in like a little bag with a thank you sticker. So we'll open that. And let's see. And this is the February AdoreBox. So it gives you a little card. And it does tell you, I guess these are the items inside. Yeah, it does tell you all the items inside. So we'll use that. The first item is looks like a 2-part mask because it is folded. And this is from Vichy Laboratories. And this mask is, let me see, Mask Argyle Purifiant Pores. Okay, that's, so a pore, it's a clay mask, pore purifying. And this is with 2 mineral clay. So I guess it's a 2-part. I wonder what's... Okay, so that looks like it's a 2-part. It is saying that full size would be $20, but I wonder how many you would get in the box. Okay, so this one is... This is 12 ml? Is this 2 times 6 ml? This is strange. I wonder if there's actually 2 here or if it's just 1. So yeah, I would assume that there are multiples in the box for the $20. So you basically just have a sample to try there of that. Okay, what is this here? We have 2 of the Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Masks. So I'm not mad about them. Everybody seems to give these, though. So full size is $6.99, and usually you get, you know, 10, 15 packs of these in a box, most of them. And these are, you know, these are good to help diminish the look of dark circles, puffiness, fatigue around your eyes. Really feels good if you stick them in the fridge for a little bit. Refrigerator, it's just and let them cool and then put them under your eyes, and that really feels nice. So we got 2 of those, so I'm not mad at that. I do have plenty of them, but and then we have, and there's 2 of these, and these are La Fresh, you're like really pretty makeup remover wipes, and full size is $7.99, which is a 30 count. So they gave us 2 samples, so it's okay. Not my favorite thing in the world, but that's okay. And then we have, it seems like it's almost like you got double of everything in here. This is Nip. Yeah, N-I-P. Nip and Fab. And this is a Detox Blend Shampoo. 6 ounce would be $18. Obviously, these are sample size. You know, just your typical detox blend of shampoo. I've seen a few others. It would have been nice if they gave the shampoo and conditioner so you could really try out the brand, but these are both shampoos. I don't know if that's going to... So you can see both shampoo. So, you know, that's good for travel, so that's not a bad deal. And then the last thing in here is... This is a pen. And this is a rose gold pen for $19.99. Not happening in my world would I spend $20 for this type of a pen. And this is beautiful rose gold writing instrument. Crystals on the handle to shine and sparkle. So, I mean, they do, you know, it is nice. Let's see. Let's see how this writes. We'll just... I mean, it does have a nice, you know, nice feel to it. It's nice and lightweight. Not necessarily something I would expect to find in a box like this. This is my first one. I don't know how great this is going to be, you know, getting a pen, which you could always use a pen, but for them to say that it's $19.99 is crazy. From Vichy, we got 2 clay masks. We got from I guess it's Your Like. Is that the, oh, LA Fresh. And 2 face wipes. We have 2 gold eye masks, 2 shampoos. Should have got 2 pens if they're giving us 2 of everything. So that is the Adore, I think it's called the Adore box for February 2019. Not feeling it, but I will get 1 more, or possibly 2 more to see. This one, I think it only wound up costing me $8 or $9. I did have a discount code. I don't think the discount code is good anymore. I think I tried it as a referral link from someone else. I think it already expired. For $15, if I paid for this, I don't know if I'd be too happy with that. So we'll see what the next month or 2 has in store. This one might be a no-go for me and wind up getting canceled. But we'll hold out hope that it will get better. So this is the Adore box for February 2019. Remember to like this video, share with all your friends, leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.